Press that flush button and poof! But wait, have you ever wondered where it all actually goes? Most of us don't think about it, but the journey your poop takes after you flush is actually pretty fascinating and super important for our health and environment. When you flush, your poop doesn't just vanish. It's the start of a hidden process that happens right beneath our feet every day in millions of homes. Your waste takes an underground adventure through a maze of pipes, winding beneath streets and buildings. In many places, these pipes lead to a sewage treatment plant, where the waste is cleaned and processed. But sometimes, not everyone is so lucky. In some areas, the journey ends much sooner, and not in a good way. Here's the real deal. In many Indian cities, if you have a toilet at home, you're probably connected to a network of sewers. These sewers carry waste far away from your home, keeping your living space clean and safe. But in rural areas, things are different. Toilets are often just simple pits dug into the ground. These pit latrines don't have pipes or treatment plants. The waste stays right there, slowly breaking down over time. And sadly, in some places, people still have no choice but to go out in the open. Open defecation is still a reality for millions, especially where toilets are scarce or not maintained. In many slums and informal settlements, waste often ends up in open drains, rivers, or even right outside people's homes. It's not just unpleasant, it's dangerous, polluting water and spreading disease. Why does this matter so much? Why should we care about where our poop goes after we flush? Poor sanitation is a huge problem. It spreads nasty diseases like diarrhea, cholera, and hepatitis. These illnesses can sweep through communities, especially where clean water and proper toilets are missing. And kids are hit the hardest. Their bodies are more vulnerable, and they're often the first to get sick when sanitation fails. In India alone, over 100,000 children die each year because of diseases linked to poor sanitation. That's a heartbreaking number. Imagine a stadium full of children, all lost to something we can actually prevent. That's a lot of little lives, lives that could be saved with something as simple as a safe toilet and clean water. But it doesn't have to be this way. Across India and the world, people are working together to build better toilets, improve sanitation, and protect their communities. With safe toilets, regular emptying of pits, and modern treatment plants, we can turn poop into useful things like biogas for cooking, compost for farming, or even clean water for reuse. It's not just about getting rid of waste, it's about creating value and protecting our planet. So next time you flush, remember, sanitation saves lives. It's a chain reaction that starts with you and helps keep your family, your neighborhood, and your whole community healthy.